Hi, I'm Scott Petrisco, Absolute Machine Tools. Showcasing today the Lico LNT 42, 4 cross channels, 5,000 RPM max spindle speed for the main spindle, 20 horsepower, live tooling pickoff device with a 3,000 RPM max capacity, 5 horsepower. We are showcasing a hydraulic fitting that's being made out of 1 1/8" round stock, milling the hex, 1-inch hex on it, and also using a CJ Winter rolling thread unit for a 5/8 11 in Eco Brass. The great point of this machine is being able to utilize the cross channels for overlap, which will reduce your cycle time, keep multiple tools in the cut. Theoretically, you could get up to 5 tools in the cut at one point. Of course, based off of tool clearances. Also able to be fitted with an optional 8-station turret on the back, so you have more tooling capacity for sub-spindle process. You can also put a 4-inch 3-jaw chuck on the sub-spindle or pick-off device, so you can hold larger diameter parts. This machine, each channel has 2 axes, X and Z. There is not a Y axis on the machine. You can normally get almost up to 5 inches of travel on the channels, so you can overlap quite a bit, all at once. And then the back tooling unit for this machine would be gang if you do not go with the additional optional turret. Fitted with a 12-foot bar feeder, tracer bar feeder, so you can essentially automate your process for potential to lights out production. Can drastically reduce cycle times anywhere from 40 to 60% based on the amount of tooling you can get into the cut and your part as well. Also comes with a lower parts catcher, so you will drop the part out and they'll eject from the sub-spindle into the part conveyor and comes out to the lower right hand into a tray. A lot of customers will retrofit another tray system or conveyor system to put into a bowl feeder or something like that for cleaning. Most companies will also use oil, so we have a mist collector sitting on top. Fire suppression can be installed as well. So then you can really try to get to a true lights out capacity. Has a Mitsubishi M830 control on it. Each channel has its own control and they're all tied together by white codes. Up to 100 tool offsets can be used, work coordinates as well. Very powerful machine. A chip conveyor to evac parts out of. Also comes, I believe, standard with high pressure coolant as well. So you could have an 8-channel or 8-port high pressure coolant. So you could have high pressure coming out of each channel and out of the turret as well. And then for 2 stations on the back half, or for the gang tooling, 2 different ports. Also a convenient part checker that you can have the part sub-spindle go over to will automatically check to make sure your part has evacuated the pickoff device so you don't have a collision at pickoff. 3,000 every station. It's a VDI 30 system turret. Each station has the capacity to be able to have a live tool in it. So here you can see we're utilizing 2 of the channels, pinch turning at the same time. Back half is being done with a single point tool right now to where it's completing the back half of the part. You could also have the front side. While the channels are working, you can be drilling or boring at the same time. Here the part is being ejected into the lower parts catcher. Will be evac'd out to the right. We're coming in with the thread rolling unit now. Need to reset the thread rolling unit, bring it over, brought the channel out in order to be able to reset it. And now we're going to mill the hex. After it's done milling the hex, we're going to do a deburr process while it's doing the spot and drill process with one of the channels using a grooving tool. So you can really see the advantages of being able to overlap and cut your cycle times down. Now we'll come up and we'll pick off the part with the pickoff device. And our cycle is complete.